Outside it's as cold as a freezer. Got a case of cabin fever. We need to adjust our latitude. Let's hang up that map of the tropics. Grab a dart and then we'll toss it. Wherever it lands, we're landing too. It's Coconut Grove. Now that's where we're gonna go, to Coconut Grove, where the pace of life is slow. Yeah, those palm trees swaying, the music's playing, drinks and laughter flow in Coconut Grove. Packed up and now we're rolling, but we really should get going. Gotta give that landlord his key. Forget about that 30-day notice. We'll say goodbye to the friends we'll miss most and send them postcards from the sea. From Coconut Grove. Now that's where we're heading for, to Coconut Grove, where the pace of life is slow. Yeah, those palm trees swaying, the music's playing, drinks and laughter flow in Coconut Grove. It's as cold as a freezer. There's no need to bundle up here. We're miles from the big latitude. I can't find one good excuse why we hung out so long in Coos. Bet they're still up at Awanda singing the blues with Coconut Grove. That's where we call home in Coconut Grove, where the pace of life is slow. Yeah, those palm trees swaying, the music's playing, drinks and laughter flow in Coconut Grove. Yeah, those palm trees swaying, the music's playing, drinks and laughter flow in Coconut Grove. Everything's alright. Everything in its own time. Everything's alright. Everything in its own time. You may have had a love that was lost. When you're playing with love, that can be the cost. Don't let yourself get down. What is lost will always be found. Take yourself out for a good night on the town. Everything's alright. Everything in its own time. Everything's alright. Everything in its own time. So you want to learn how to fly. straight from